so obsessed with the morning. Get up early just to watch the sun rise. Some people like it more when there's fire in the sky. Worship the sun when it's high. Some people like to have those sultry evenings, sipping cocktails in the blue, red and gray. But I like every minute of the day. I like every second, so long as you're on my mind. Every moment has its own special charm. It's alright when you're around me, rain or shine. I know a crowd who only live after midnight. Their faces always seem so pale. And then there's friends of mine who must have sunlight. They say a suntan never fails. I know a man who works the night shift. He's lucky to get a job and some pay. And I like every minute of the day. I dig every second. I can laugh in the snow and rain. I get a buzz from being cold and wet. The pleasure seems to balance out the pain.